within my time in the presidency, as we were entering on to the 20th century, the world had been moving at a very fast pace, and things were moving much more rapidly than I had imagined possible to see communications being able to reach from Europe all the way to America in a matter of minutes, when it would take weeks prior. It was astonishing. And of course, the improvement of factories and creation of goods and services at a much higher pace than before. But of course, in doing so, creating all of these wonderful benefits also created great perils, because many of the people who were operating these businesses did not see their employees as workers of the machinery, but rather pieces of the machinery themselves, who could be used up until they were no longer serviceable and be cast aside. It is one thing to be used up in service to one's country, but it is quite another to be used up as simply a person operating part of your factory's wares. No, I believed that it had been long overdue for the good people of this nation to be respected and to be ensured that they would receive what I have called for a long time a square deal, to ensure that the good people, provided that they are willing to step up and take responsibility for their efforts, that they should receive just as much an opportunity to succeed as the person who has the factory itself. The owner of the factory, I believe, does not automatically merit greater treatment or greater opportunity than the person who puts in the hard labor to make that factory successful. That has been long my effort, to ensure that the hard-working, plain people of this country were not seen as mere numbers or mere parts or parcels, but actual people who had just as much an opportunity and just as much a responsibility to serve the public good as any other person. And when I say that, I mean that they should stand fair under those rules. The rules should not be changed for them, but that they should have the opportunity, an equally good reward for equally good service. And combined with ensuring that our people were not only protected in their work, but also protected in their resources, to make sure that the food and other things we were consuming were actually what we thought we were consuming. But all to make sure that this country was moving forward in a way so that everyone had an opportunity. That was my greatest desire. And if those efforts caused a greater improvement for this country, well, then I shall be very happy for that.